For the first method, you want to go to search and type in lusrmgr.msc. Click on it. Now once this comes up, you want to select users. You want to find the user account that you're having a problem with. You want to double click on it. Make sure that you have account is disabled unticked. Untick this box and then click on OK. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, under computer configuration, you want to expand admin templates. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to click on logon. Here it is, click on the logon folder. And now this will appear on the right side. You want to find enumerate local users on domain joint computers. Double click on it. You want to make this enabled and then click on OK. Next, you want to find hide entry points for fast user switching. Double click on it. You want to make this disabled and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. Leave a like if this helped you.